12s and fourth order.
All right. Oh wow, fourth order.
Yeah.
Okay. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. All right. Oh, what kind of lithium?
Underground power.
Underground.
40 amp hour.
2K, 2.5.
2.5K.
Nice.
Two XR, American-based XRs, 12s and fourth order.
All right. Oh wow, fourth order.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, I bet you at nighttime it looks good in the LEDs.
Oh yeah.
Sorry about that. What is it tuned to? That port?
What I was metering, 37 hertz.
So around there, that's where it peaks. Okay.
Yeah.
How did it meter?
I did they not broken in. I just put them in Wednesday, so I did 138 at home before I came up here, and I just did a 179, 170. I mean a 137.9.
Okay. Awesome.
Let's see what I'm gonna play. Go to YouTube and play something at 37 hertz. Let's see. Throwing a little juice. Watch your leg real quick.
Sure.
Right.
Nice bass knob.
Yeah, it's awesome.
All right.
Team front yard, got my name on the other side.
All right,
And,
custom.
Slam Panda made it.
Okay. What's going on, everyone? I'm Jacob Vile, and I do daily cardio videos. I hope you're enjoying the system walk around we just finished of the Matrix's system. That was his name. He is the owner of the car in the system. A dual 12-inch subwoofer, fourth order, blow through in the trunk. So give him a like if you haven't already. Did a really great job showcasing it at the Savannah, Georgia Seaport Showdown show in 2021. As well as comment, give him some comments, some positive feedback that you like about his system. I definitely like the way he has the layout of the box. Wasn't able to actually get a camera view shot inside of the box, but you can see right there inside of the port, there is the mounted inverted subwoofers, the XR American-based 1200 watt RMS subwoofers, 2 of them in a fourth order. It looks like it's a 2-to-1 ratio. This is a picture of what the subwoofers look like on Google Images. So they are pretty beefy subwoofers, the 12-inch series. And on the back, he's running them, both of them, I'm assuming they're dual 4s down to 1 ohm on this VFL 2.5K. If you look closely on top of the box, you can see a line of screws on the top box layout. That's probably right where the line is of his sealed section of this fourth order. So anybody watching that doesn't know what a fourth order is, there's a sealed section and a ported section and a box enclosure for subwoofers. The sealed section helps the low-end response give you better cone control, and then you have a ported side where the subwoofer magnet is in this box case scenario, where the subs are able to put out pressure through that port. So that's what a fourth order is. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. Consider subscribing if you haven't already for daily cardio videos, and we're about to get to a pretty good demo. Enjoy.
I might blow up on that bass.
You can tell it has bandwidth too because being the fourth order. And you can feel the wind pressure from there.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty cool, like a little AC unit there.
Yeah, but
so, thank you. What was your name?
Matrix. Team
Matrix.
Yard.
Okay, yeah. Awesome. Nice name.
You too, man. Have a good one.
You too, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.